Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on using advanced skin tone options on Roblox Mobile to make each body part of your avatar have a different color. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you're using the Roblox Mobile app and you're editing the appearance of your avatar, you can change your skin tone to a variety of different colors, but you don't get the same advanced colors and options as you do on desktop. However, there is a workaround. Here is how you can change the color of your different body parts on Roblox Mobile. First, close the Roblox app and open up a web browser such as Safari or Chrome. In the web browser, head over to roblox.com. On the first page, tap Continue in Browser. You'll now have to sign in to your Roblox account if you're not already logged in. Now you're logged in, tap the three lines button at the top left of the page, and then select Avatar. It will tell you that in order to edit your avatar, you will need to open the Roblox app, but that's not actually the case. If you're on Safari, tap the AA button at the top left. From there, choose Request Desktop Site. If you're on Chrome, tap the three dots button at the bottom right. Scroll down a bit and then you'll see Request Desktop Site. Now we're in desktop view, we are allowed access to the desktop avatar editor. Under Body Options, tap Skin Tone. Here you'll see the same skin tone options as on mobile. But now go to the bottom right of the colors and select Advanced. This will give you access to more colors to choose from. And you can now choose a different color for each of your body parts. So you can have a different color head, torso, left arm, and more. Tap Done once you're finished changing the colors. Your avatar will now be updated and you can leave the browser version of Roblox. Close and reopen the app for your changes to appear in the app though. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Roblox tips and tricks.